In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use active, community-verified event strategies to improve your reward timing in Chrome. The goal here is to make your gameplay more efficient by using trusted event information and planning your roles around the best available opportunities. This approach helps you stay organized, avoid wasting time, and take better advantage of multiplier events when they are actually live. Start by opening Google Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar and look for active, community-verified event strategies related to the game or platform you're using. The key here is to focus on current information, not old discussions or outdated pages. You want to find sources where the community is actively confirming that an event is live, how long it lasts, and whether the strategy is still working as expected. As you search, pay attention to whether the information appears reliable and up to date. Community verified usually means multiple users are agreeing on the same event details, timing, or reward behavior. That can help reduce guesswork and give you more confidence before you begin using your roles. It's a good idea to compare a few sources so you're not relying on only one page. Once you've found useful reward tracking websites, bookmark them in Chrome. This makes it much easier to check event status quickly in the future without having to search all over again. Try to save the websites that specifically track high multiplier events, countdown timers, or reward schedules. These are the pages that will be most useful when you're deciding the best time to play. Keeping those websites bookmarked also helps build a simple routine. Instead of jumping into gameplay immediately, you can first check whether a strong event is active and whether the timing is right. That small habit can make a noticeable difference over time. After that, use the active web event countdowns to time your gameplay rolls. In other words, don't just roll whenever you feel like it. Check the countdown, confirm that the event is currently active or about to begin, and then plan your rolls around that window. This gives you a better chance of using your attempts when the reward potential is highest. If the countdown shows that a high multiplier event is ending soon, you may want to act quickly. If it shows that an event starts later, it may be smarter to wait. The important thing is to let the event timing guide your decisions so your gameplay lines up with the best possible reward window. That's the full process. Search for active, community-confirmed strategies, bookmark reliable reward tracking websites, and use countdowns to time your rolls more effectively.